Today is a cooperation between the World Police and Fire Games and the Mid-Atlantic Motorcycle Riders Committee to host the event for the World Police and Fire Games on the street motorcycle event. There are a total of 2 courses. There's 5 set of courses for the precision side, which is a slower, more precise turning for the motorcycle rider, and the second side, the speed side. The speed side consists of the same type of elements or fundamentals to ride the motorcycle, but you have to do it in a little bit more expeditious manner.
In our everyday job, this training helps because we're a city police department. We do a lot of confined riding, small streets, narrow streets, getting through a lot of congested traffic, a lot of events where there's a good bit of people. Riding in these tight cone courses represents the kind of maneuvers that we're going to have to do when we go out on our everyday duty. So if we come down here and we can hone our skills and learn how to control the motorcycle in the best way possible, that benefits us when we go back and we have to serve our public.
You know, we conduct funeral escorts for politicians, not as many as y'all do up here, and that's one of the most dangerous things we do. This really helps you out as far as the safety factor and being able to conduct those as safely as we can for us and everybody else on the street.
No, I think it's a great opportunity for the World Police and Fire Games in the Mid-Atlantic to put this event on. As I said before, it's great training for everyone to see the other side. Where one department might not have a training environment, they can come out here and practice and maybe hone their skills that might help them survive one day.
I'd never been to the World Police Games. I've been to the Texas Police Games a few times, and once we heard that this was here and that Fairfax, who are some of the best riders that we've seen, we wanted to come up, see how they rode, learn from them some of the training, and be able to see the police games, the World Police Games.
The World Police and Fire Games is important to have because it brings people from all over the country, all over the world, into one localized area, so to speak. So you get to meet people. The networking that you get to do is absolutely incredible, and it's just a wonderful, exciting time.